Burnout and Work Stress Guided Meditation. This meditation gently guides you into deep relaxation and renewal, nurturing your inner resilience. Using powerful tools to release stress, you'll reconnect with your vitality, leaving refreshed and ready to face your day with renewed energy. Welcome to this guided meditation to refresh your energy, release burnout, and let go of workplace stress. If you've been feeling tension or fatigue, this quick meditation can help you shed exhaustion, frustration, and emotional weight, allowing you to reconnect with your calm center. Begin by finding a comfortable centered position. Bring your shoulders up toward your ears, tensing and tightening them as much as you can. Engage all the muscles around your shoulders, face, jaw, nose, and eyes, holding tight, tight, tight. Then, with a deep exhale, start to release slowly, letting that tension melt away from your shoulders, arms, fingertips, legs, and toes. Take another deep breath and let's tense once more, shoulders to ears, face and jaw tight. Then release quickly with an exhale. Notice how this process of tightening and relaxing feels, perhaps lowering your shoulders from your ears. If you feel the need to roll your shoulders back or move a little, that's perfectly fine. Movement in meditation can be freeing. Now let's release stress with some shaking. Whether seated or standing, shake out your hands and arms, and if you wish, stand up and let your whole body move. Feel free to wave your hands around your body, feeling energy heat up and stress release. You might even vocalize a shoo with each exhale to push that tension away. When you're ready, sit back down and take a moment to observe how your body feels now. Spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hips grounded. Take a deep breath from the base of your spine up through your center line to the crown of your head. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale back down, releasing from the top of your head through your spine to your tailbone. Repeat this 2 more times. Breathing from tailbone to the top of your head, holding, then releasing fully back down, feeling your body relax into stillness. Now imagine a bubble in front of you. Picture any work-related stressor floating there. Name it, recognize it, and gently drop it down into the earth to be recycled. The earth will transform it. Notice any other worries or burdens that have been weighing on you. Place each one in a bubble, breathe deeply, observe them, and release with ease. Notice any emotional release that signals the stress leaving. If another stressor comes to mind, bring it up in a bubble, acknowledging it without judgment. Breathe calmly as you notice it, bringing regulation to your nervous system. After 3 breaths, drop the bubble, releasing any burden that is not yours to carry. Take one more cleansing step. Imagine a warm, gentle waterfall flowing over you, washing away any remaining stress, frustration, or stuck energy. Let this warm stream soften areas that feel tense or blocked, releasing anything that no longer serves you. Close with a clear intention for your work life. Think of a mantra that keeps you motivated, aligned, and focused. Repeat this mantra softly to yourself 3 times, inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. For example, I choose the thoughts that are good for me. I communicate clearly and confidently. I imprint my intentions on others and function from relaxation response. Thank you for watching, and I hope you were able to relax a bit more. Like, share, subscribe. See you soon. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.